You're a good-looking guy, your body shape is wonderful, but your crush doesn't approach you. Why? Studies show that 70% of women fall in love because of manners and words, and almost all men fall in love for beauty. I won't waste your damn time, so there are 3 rules. First one, don't burn your reputation. Have confidence. Probably you imagine yourself worthless comparing to the girl. I don't give a shit if you're worthy or not, if you're charismatic or not, pretend to be one. Here's some tips. Don't swear. Your word gets value from who you are, not swears. Nonsense cringe words. You're my angel, I can't live without you. Get the hell out! They're not your mama. You say, oh, I'm so ugly, I'm dumb. She says, okay, nice to meet ya, bye bye. Don't ask her things completely by yourself. Here's an example. You say, can I have you for dinner tonight? She just accepts or denies. That means you need her and ruins your reputation. Instead you say, you got any plans tonight? Then she replies. Even if she doesn't accept, you've asked like an independent gentleman. Second rule, be a listener. Men love talking about themselves to show the girl their potential, and women approach a man who is mysterious. So don't talk more than 30% of the conversation. You can also delete those freaky words in your social media bio. Guitarist, computer programmer, won a football game 10 years ago at school. So, let her discover ya. Okay, here's the plan. You try to start a conversation, then she starts talking. You just try to continue the conversation with your replies. No be stuck, just listen, okay? Third rule. Actually, it's not a rule. There's some quick tips that helps you. No sexual words. No sexual jokes. Their sense of humor is different. No complicated jokes. Be confident, it's not a business meeting. Ask high potential questions, like what do you think about this blah blah book? Yes/no questions ruin it. Talk gently. You're not in a hurry. It's clear that you don't want to lose your opportunity to talk her by trying these methods right after watching this video. So repeat and train them with your pal, teacher, or even a grocery clerk.